Welcome to this tutorial on how to take your attendance. Attendance is very important in this system and it should be the first thing you do when you log into the system to start the day's activity. There are two ways to take in your attendance. The first and easiest way is to come to this icon here, click on it, and you can either check in or check out. So when you come into the system, after logging in, the first thing you do is to click on the red icon since you're checked out of the system, so you're about to check in, so the icon here will be red. So click on it and then click on check in. And if you want to check out after the day's activity, click on the green icon and click on checkout and you'll be checked out of the system. It is very important that you take in your attendance as it will affect your payroll calculation. If you do not want to use this method, you can come to this menu here, click on it, and it will take you to list of menu. Click on attendance and it will bring you to this environment. So you can click on new to sign in your attendance. And when you click on new, it will automatically fill up your name and fill in the check-in time. And when you are done, you come to this place and save manually. That is how to sign in your attendance. Remember, attendance is very important. It's very important as it will affect your payroll calculation. It's very important that you sign in and sign out. Always remember to sign out after the day's activity. So that is how to make use of the attendance app.